Okay, so let's take a look at how we can determine what the highest possible elevation is on a topographic map. So take a look at this sample. You can see on the bottom left and the top right we have two lakes. The one in the north side of the map has Fish Creek running out of it. And of course in the center we have this geologic structure called Rock Mountain. Now, we should already be thinking that the highest point on the map would be somewhere near point X at the top of the peak of Rock Mountain. But let's find out a specific number for the elevation of that point. The first thing we need to do this is to determine the contour interval of the map. And that can be done simply by looking at some of the index contours, which, remember, those are the bold contour lines that are labeled. Let's start over here with this one, which is labeled 1000. And then take a look at the next index contour over here, labeled 1500. Well, by counting the lines in between these two index contours, we can tell that the contour interval of this map is equal to 100. That is, each contour line increases in value by 100. So as you can see, as you go from D to C, you go from 1000 to 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, and then finally at point C you're at an elevation of 1500. Now, if point C lies along 1500, we have one contour line that's higher than that, which must be an elevation of 1600. That in mind, let's just say that point X is the highest point on Rock Mountain. Well, it must be higher than 1600 because it's within the 1600 contour line. But we also know that the value of X must be lower than what the next contour line up would be. So of course, since we're going up by 100, the next contour line would be 1700. But since it's not there, we know that point X must be less than 1700, which tells us that X must be somewhere in between 1600 and 1700, making the highest possible elevation of X 1699 units. So to say it quickly, the highest possible elevation on a map would be higher than the last contour line that's drawn, but less than the next contour line that would be drawn. So again, in this case, the highest contour line is 1600, making the highest possible elevation 1699. Thank you.